guys, it's Queen.
And it's Sandy. Today we're going to be repairing the floor of our 1947 Plymouth.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel to follow along with this project and like this video.
Let's get started. Right here is one of the areas that we need to be repairing. As you can see, we have a blue line around it, and that's where we're going to cut it and also trace a piece of paper, and then we'll cut the metal according to that piece of paper.
So this front piece bends, so it's going to be tough measurements. So we're going to use paper to trace it out.
We have now traced the paper, and we're going to go over to our new steel and cut it.
We have the paper laid on our new steel. Now it's time to trace it and cut it out.
Now we're going to use a cutoff wheel to cut the metal, but it'd be great if we had a plasma cutter. So maybe one of you guys can sponsor us on using a plasma cutter. Let's get started. We're done cutting it with the cutoff wheel. It would have been really great if we had a plasma cutter, but we don't. Let's go ahead and take it into the 1947 Plymouth and install it.
So we don't have a brake pass because it's way out of our budget. So we're going to clamp two 2x4s and do it the old-fashioned way and use it. We think it needs to be somewhere around 65 degrees.
We straight? We good.
No, we're not.
What do you mean? Are the lines connected?
No. Come on. I had to stretch my back for nothing.
Wow, that was close.
That was a lot of more work than we thought it would be.
I say that's pretty much close. Metal piece. We have finished tacking in the metal piece to the original body. Now we're going to completely weld everything together. Let's get started. We drilled holes in the piece of metal to connect to the old supports, which we're going to weld together. We are finished welding and cutting all the metal where the rotten holes were. All we have left to do now is primer it and paint it.
Andy, what did you learn?
Well, I learned how to bend a piece of metal without using a brake press. What did you learn today, Queen?
I learned that you should probably have good welding gloves.
We're trying to figure out what color the inside should be. What do you think?
Leave in the comments below.
See ya! Alright, now it's window.
What? I don't know what to say.
Today we're going to be repairing the... Wait.
Just hold on 1 second.